Hey everyone, welcome to Hau Chic. Today I have a big package swap that I did with a good friend that I met online. She is called TCP Luxury and that's on her Instagram. And she does have a YouTube channel called Heart Style. And we decided to do a package swap. So I'm from London and also from Hong Kong, and she's in the US. So I sent my things from Hong Kong and a little bit of London, and let's see what goodies from America she got me. So this is a huge parcel, and thank you so much for doing this swap with me. And she is super sweet. She does a lot of fashion and she does a lot of unboxing. She's really good at unboxing luxury items and giving good reviews. She does DIY videos. She's just the most beautiful, cutest fashionista. Let's get into it. She did send it through the US postage because we did not know how to post through DHL or FedEx. We were just confused on that. So let's dive into this. So we managed to get into it. Oh, she printed out a letter for me. Look how cute this is. And it's all pink, which is, oh my goodness, just my favorite. And I think it's your favorite too. So let's see if I can read this out. Dearest Abby, I'm glad we met through Instagram and YouTube. You are a wonderful and beautiful person inside out. Our fashion sense is aligned and we have things in common, except I'm more of a crazy hyper one and you are the energetic relaxed one, yin and yang. Yes, so we did talk about this before because I'm a lot more chill, calm, but I have a lot of energy to do loads of exercise, whereas she has an abundance of energy. If you go over to her YouTube channel, you will see how energetic she is. I love her for that. Honestly, I went a little crazy purchasing items from various open stores that were open during this pandemic and boutiques in Napa Valley. Oh, I love Napa Valley. I hope you enjoy some of the items made by me. Oh, we made some items and my friend. By the way, keep up the great content. You're doing a great job. Hugs from the US. Hugs and kisses especially. Aww. And she got this printout with the kitty. So the first thing we have in this huge box is a notebook. And it says to-do list. Avoid work, avoid work, avoid work, and nap. That is perfect. And it's pink and it's so pretty. Can write all of my non-work related things and all of my sleep dreams and things that might come true in my dreams. Who knows? Wow. It's wrapped up. Oh, this is so cute. It says find the makeup charm. So she's got this like heart sticker. It looks like a bracelet and it looks like you can use this as a bag charm as well. That's really cute. So it's a Museum of Ice Cream and Sephora collection. Scream Charm bracelet. Oh, it's got loads of gummy bears, rainbows, ice lolly donuts. Oh, that's so cute. I love this. I'm gonna put this on my bags as well. This one says it's from Napa Boutique. Oh wow, she's really making me dress up. Wow, this is a dress. It's a pink dress. Oh, this is so cute. And it's got these frill details. Oh, that's really sweet. It's very Barbie-like and it's very like cutesy ballerina princess. Oh, this is so cute. And the sleeves, they're like sheer. And then at the back, it's got like a pretty tie-up detail. And it says it's from Neon Rose. So super cute. Thank you. Oh no, you did not. Oh my goodness. You got me the strawberry dress. I've been thinking about this for so long and I never got around to getting it. Oh my goodness. You got this strawberry dress and I send you lots of strawberry chocolates. There is something aligned. We didn't tell each other what we were gonna send you, but oh my goodness, I love this. I think it's the inspired dress by Lyrica Machoshi. And oh my goodness, this is like really princessy. I mean, I thought it was beautiful in photos, but this is even prettier in real life. So it's got the sleeve details, it's sheer, and it's got the frilly parts at the back all the way to the front, and it's got this tie detail, and it's super long and princessy. There's like different layers inside so that it's really puffy and princessy. Thank you. I love this. Can't wait to wear it out if we are going out. But even though I'll wear it at home. Oh, this is a really pretty bag. This is got flowers on it. It's golden. Looks like sakuras, and these are actually 3D flowers. And it's got the like yellow diamonds on it. It's so cute. And she just packed a whole bunch of goodies in here. This is exciting. So let's start off with this one. Made in the USA by TCP Luxury. Oh, these are so cute. So these are little pandas. Oh, they're so sweet. They're like dangly. And they're so cute. I love them. It came with another one too. And these are a rosy one. Oh, and it matches so well. So these are the rosy ones. They're so pretty. I love them. I can even wear them as like a badge and a blazer. That'll be pretty cute. So thank you. Oh, it's so handmade. Made in the USA by TCP's friend. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest. It's a unicorn. So it's a cute unicorn. Is this like a humongous necklace? How does it look? And then even the eye has got like a shiny diamond on it, and it's in gold hardware. That's super cute. I love this. I'll keep that here. Then here we have, oh, it's in Korean. Oh, this is a lovely me dessert lip balm, and it's in strawberry. Oh, this is so cute. So it looks like a pot of dessert, and you open it and it has this honeycomb looking thing, and I think you dip it in and apply it to your lips. So I think, yes, the jelly is in here. You dip it in. Oh, that's so cute. And oh, it smells like strawberry candy. I love it. Oh, you got me so many things. Irregular choice, lol. UK brand but sold in the US. So it's the cute box. And it's got like a mini dust bag in there. More unicorn theme to match with the necklace. This is really pretty. So it's got the unicorn at the top, and then the stars here. I'll put you on my right. There you go. That's super cute. It's huge as well. It's very I don't actually own many rings. My ring collection is non-existent. But this is so pretty. It's such a statement. I love it. Forever 21. And it's this is a kitty. I love this. This is so cute. I think it'll go well with the strawberry dress. So I'll wear that together. Some yellow tissue paper. No! You know that I am a bunny. And she got me a bunny. And it's a coin purse, I think. It's so cute. And she put a cute clip inside. So you can put loads of coins in there. But it's so cute. I'm gonna take this out with me. It's so cute. And then this is the clip that she got me. I'm gonna do what you do. I'm gonna put my clips everywhere too. And put this one in. That's so cute. I love it. And American Goodness from Abercrombie & Fitch. She got me some cute socks. Thank you for keeping my feet warm during the winter. It's a little hamster. And I can put it onto my bags. Oh, it's the sweetest. Look at the eyes. There's some pink tissue paper and it says Express Clothing. It's a skirt where it's a long skirt and it's so sparkly on both sides. So the detailing is so nice. I love the way the pattern is sewn on with sequins. And it's so reflective and sparkly. I can't wait to try this. And then the last thing in here is unicorn socks. And it says, I fart rainbows. It has the unicorn and it's farting rainbows. And that is everything that I got in this swap. So TCP Luxury is an amazing girl. She's full of energy. If you watch her YouTube channel, you absolutely love her. And I love her. She's amazing. And down below in the description box, I'll write down all the details and links to her channel and also her Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. So many clothes and cute goodness. I hope to do more videos soon. So I've only just got back to the UK today and I am in the midst of chaos. I mean, it doesn't look like it here, but you don't know the behind the scenes that you cannot see even through the mirror of all of the mess inside my room. But I will roll out videos soon and I'll upload more. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want to talk to me about anything beauty, skincare, fashion as well, then please do message me on Instagram at Hau Chic. And don't forget to check out TCP Luxury's channel and page. So I'll give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!